guess what we're doing at Camp Christine today?
Hi Chen, what are we doing?
Today is our first ever STEM day for our new STEM Changemakers program.
So what are the activities that are lined up for us today?
Let me bring you through our adventure today.
Come, let's go!
Do you know, this batch isn't just about fun science experiments and STEM theory, like mathematical equations and science experiments. It's more than that. It's all about the skills we gain from practicing STEM, for example, collaboration and creativity. First up, STEM avatars. Guides get to explore their unique STEM strengths and create their own superhero or game character that represents who they are.
Next, the traffic light challenge. Here, guys learn about gender equality in STEM through movement, discussion, and critical thinking.
The third activity, a day in the life. Here, guides experience what it's like to work in the different STEM professions: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, through interactive hands-on activity stations. For STEM Day especially, we have 2 exciting workshops.
My favorite part of the day was the physics program. We actually learned something new. It's called the balloonist theory, about the relationship between the speed of airflow and the pressure. And I thought that the activity that they gave us to learn this concept through was very engaging, and we had a great time doing it.
My favorite part of today was the mealworm experiment. We got to pick up mealworms with our bare hands, and I thought it was really fun.
Mealworms? Yes, that's right. The guides are building a respirometer to measure the respiration rates of the mealworms.
Lastly, let's put our STEM skills to use. In the STEM for SDGs challenge, guys will take part in the STEM Innovation Challenge, using STEM knowledge to design community-based solutions for our sustainable development goals. This is an opportunity for them to gain experience in teamwork, creativity, empathy, and communication, while showing how innovation can be local, realistic, and impactful.
Chen, thank you so much for sharing so much about STEM Day and STEM Changemakers with me today. I really learned so much and I gained a newfound passion for STEM.
No problem, so great to hear.
See you at our next STEM Changemakers event!